Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Today, we aren't gonna cook, but rather we are going to master the usage of our blender. That is, we are going to prepare some smoothies. Simple smoothie, but it tastes great. Sometimes you want to prepare something for breakfast or snack or dinner, but you don't know how to go about it. You just get your few ingredients. So I have mine. Our Ghana fan yogo, and then I also have my fan choco. Trust me, it's nice. Those of us who taste, you know what I'm talking about. And then I have my bananas. In fact, the banana, you have to put it in the fridge for a while. Probably not freezing per se, but at least it should be cold. And then I have 2 pieces of lemon. And then I have 1 piece orange. And then I have a cup of sobolo or hibiscus tea. I hope you remember the sobolo I did. Yes. The recipe is on the channel, so you can check it out. So today, we are going to master the usage of our blender. A smoothie is a drink made from pureed raw vegetables, fruits, and sometimes you can add some dairy products to it. But typically, you are using your blender. So you can use the mixer bullets or the normal blender. I am using the normal blender. So join me. Let's prepare 3 different kinds of smoothie. Yellow. So as you can see, our banana smoothie is ready. Oh my god, I hear the papa. If you were there, my dear, it's very nice and tasty and nutritious. Please try it, try yours. So we have this banana yogurt smoothie, and then we have this banana choco delights, and then we have this hibiscus banana surprise. Please try yours and send me your recipe. In fact, it's nutritious, it's healthy, and it is tasty. No fats. Oh my god, you are gonna love it. So please try it. Serve your husband, your children. Now that we are home due to lockdown, we should give them something different, something tasty, something yummy. So please, now, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.